Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving work and committing or stashing changes so updates don't conflict with local edits. Once done, open IntelliJ and check Help about to note the current version. That helps you verify the update applied later. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and at least 2 GB of free disk space for download and extraction. You're now ready to begin the built-in update flow without risking project state or losing work. You then run the built-in updater. Open Help Check for updates or use Settings Appearance and Behavior System Settings updates. Choose the update channel you want, Stable for production, Early access for previews, because that controls risk versus new features. Review the changelog and select which components or plugins to update, unselect anything you don't need. Click Update, let the download complete, and allow IntelliJ to restart. So once IntelliJ restarts, verify Help About shows the new version and make sure project SDKs and libraries still resolve. If a plugin malfunctions, open Settings Plugins and disable or update that plugin, then restart again to isolate it. If projects behave oddly, use file invalidate caches /restart to rebuild indexes. That fixes many post-update issues. If problems persist, roll back by reinstalling the previous version you noted earlier or restore from your committed workspace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.